Sure, let's dive into the whole eating healthy thing. Because let's be honest, who hasn't found themselves mindlessly reaching for a bag of chips by 3 p.m. after swearing to eat better? If you're nodding right now, I totally get it. You start the week with all these big plans: meal prep, fresh veggies, balanced meals. But then, somehow it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and you're looking at a vending machine like it holds the answers to life's biggest questions. Suddenly, all that self-control you had, gone. You promised yourself you wouldn't eat the pizza, but here you are. So what's going on? Why is it so difficult to stick to the plan? Well, here's the thing. It's not about your willpower, despite what the self-help gurus tell you. Actually, it might surprise you to know that your willpower is pretty much like your phone battery. It starts strong in the morning, but by the end of the day, it's barely hanging on. When you're stressed, tired, or overwhelmed, those tempting snacks seem impossible to resist. So, instead of feeling like a failure every time you cave, what if there was an easier way to stay on track? Here's a little secret that most people don't realize. It's not about your willpower. It's all about your environment. That's right. Where you live, work, and eat can be your best friend or your worst enemy. The mistake many people make is trying to fight against their impulses, trying to muscle through the cravings. But here's the catch. That approach just doesn't work in the long run. Instead of constantly battling yourself, why not just remove the temptation in the first place? If you don't have chips, candy, or takeout in the house, well, you can't eat it. It's really that simple. So think about it. You've set yourself up for failure by keeping all those snacks within arm's reach. But here's the good news. You can fix that. It's not about being stronger or more disciplined. It's about setting up a system that works for you. By making the bad stuff hard to access, you're already setting yourself up for success without the constant struggle. Simple changes like this can make sticking to your plan way easier than trying to fight yourself every day. And that's the game changer. All right, let's break this down a bit. You've probably heard the phrase out of sight, out of mind, right? Well, I'm going to argue that this isn't just a saying. It's actually the key to making healthier choices. Now, I'm sure you've been in this situation. You're at home after a long, stressful day, and suddenly you're hit with a craving for something salty and crunchy. But here's the thing. If there's no junk food around, the decision's already made for you. Sure, you could run to the store and grab something, but by the time you're actually out the door, you're probably too tired to bother. The choice has already been taken off the table. That's the magic of changing your environment. You don't have to rely on willpower if the unhealthy options aren't even available to you. It's not about some miracle diet plan or the latest clean eating trend. It's about making a system that works for you without all the stress. And how do you do that? Simple. Make healthy food the easiest choice. Imagine if your fridge was stocked with prepped salads, roasted veggies, and grilled chicken. The decision of what to eat is basically made for you. You don't have to stand in front of the fridge, debating whether you should eat that leftover pizza or prepare something healthy. The good stuff is already ready to go. Just grab a container, pop it open, and eat. Now I know what you're thinking. Meal prepping every week sounds like a hassle. Yeah, it does. But here's the thing. Once you get it done, it's done. And trust me, opening your fridge to see a week's worth of meals waiting for you feels pretty good. You'll feel like a superhero who has already won the day, even before your first coffee. But let's be honest, the beginning isn't always a breeze. Those first few days, they're tough. You're probably going to miss your snacks. Cravings will hit, and you might find yourself longing for that sweet, processed junk you used to rely on. But here's the thing. Your body is just adjusting. It's learning to crave the good stuff, not the sugar-packed, nutrient-free snacks you were eating before. So yeah, it's hard at first. But here's the good news. It gets easier. You'll notice that by the end of the week, you're not even thinking about those old cravings anymore. They're not even on your radar because you've created a system where the healthy choice is the only choice. And suddenly, eating well becomes a habit, not a battle. And by the time you get to week 2 or 3, you'll feel it. More energy, better sleep, and if we're being real, no more mid-afternoon crashes. Now, I'm not saying you're going to drop 10 pounds in a week, because, spoiler alert, that doesn't happen. But here's the important part. You'll feel better. And that's the first, and arguably most important win. The secret isn't a quick fix or relying on willpower. It's about building a system where good food is just there. You don't have to think about it. No more constantly asking yourself, what should I eat? Or battling cravings every day. You've set up your environment to work for you, and that makes all the difference. By the time you hit week 3, you'll feel like you've got it under control. All right, let's get real for a minute. If you keep telling yourself, I'll try harder tomorrow, and nothing ever changes, then honestly, things probably won't change. You'll keep hoping that one day, your willpower will hold out longer than your afternoon slump, and that the healthy lifestyle you've been dreaming about will somehow just fall into place. But here's the kicker. That day is probably not coming, and even if it does, it's unlikely to stick around for long. So, here's the truth. Success isn't about trying to push yourself harder or flexing your discipline. It's about consistency, creating a system that makes healthy eating something you don't have to think about. If you're feeling frustrated right now, it might be because you've been clinging to the idea that willpower alone is the answer. But that's just not sustainable in the long run. You're not failing. You're just trying to force a solution that doesn't work. This whole thing isn't about living in the kitchen or cooking gourmet meals every day. It's more about showing up, consistently making small but meaningful changes, and setting up a system that works for you. If you set it up right, by clearing out the junk food, prepping healthy meals, and making the good stuff easy to grab, you'll start to see results. And here's the best part. You can live your life without the constant guilt or stress of trying to make the right food choices. Healthy eating becomes just another part of your routine. So here's the first step. Start small today. Maybe it's throwing out that bag of chips sitting on your counter, or getting your lunch ready for tomorrow so you're not scrambling. Whatever it is, keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, make it easy, and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Trust me, a month from now, you'll be feeling more energized, sleeping better, and not constantly battling those junk food cravings. That's when it hits you. This so-called lazy way of eating healthy, it's actually genius. It's sustainable. And honestly, it's a lot easier than trying to fight your way through willpower every single day. So, if you're tired of constantly fighting temptation and feeling guilty about what you eat, try this instead. Make healthy food the easiest choice. Your future self will thank you for it, and you'll probably look back and wonder why you ever thought willpower was the answer. It's really that simple.